Hi, it's Christmas Eve. I kind of got up a little early, opened a few gifts. Couldn't help it. I do it. I do it. Anyway, so I got this weird sushi thing, which I've learned a few things, but it's kind of weird. Like, I learned a few things. Yeah, like, yeah. And, no strings. Yeah, oh yeah. And yeah, there's just really weird stuff. There's really weird stuff. Like the only there's it's kind of just stupid. The most good trick I can do is this. Like this. Yeah, I just kind of suck at it. Like my best trick everybody kind of likes is the this one, no strings or anything. If you want to learn any of these tricks, you just send me a message. But I also got this. Uh, uh, So my top score on this is basically what you have to do is just try to watch. I'll show you my top score, which is so basically I'll show you basically what you have to do. They give you a color or something, and then you push a button. You want that color to come over here. So that's what I have right now. When you push the button, you need to get it over here. So this is how it works. If you want to make it go down, you pull it down so it goes, and then you can make it go over stuff. So basically, I just go up here. I'll do it just time it real fast. Ready, set, go. Okay. Now this one's a blue, so it's here. So push the button. You get it over there. Ready, set, go. Done. Okay. I have to have two now. I have to get that one over there. Ready, set, go. I don't know, the button's stuck. The button's stuck. Hold on a minute. There we go. Okay, let's just restart that. There's a restart button on there, so just okay. Ready, set, and go.